Hello and welcome to Syed Raza Tech Craft. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open an Excel worksheet as a complete beginner. So the first method is, if you have received an Excel file through an email or you have downloaded it from a USB, you just need to bring your cursor over the file and double left click on it and you will see your worksheet in front of you. The second method is to right click on your desktop, and here you will see few options. If you scroll down, you will see the new tab here. Go inside this tab and you will find the option of a Microsoft Excel worksheet. If you click on it, it creates a new file on your desktop. You can again double click on it, double left click on it, and it opens the Microsoft Excel worksheet for you. The third method is to go into the Windows search bar and type Excel, and it will take you to the Excel application. From here you can click on it, and again you will see a different interface, and in this interface you will see the option of blank worksheet. You click on it and there you go, you get your Microsoft Excel worksheet through this method as well. So thank you for watching. These were the 3 easy methods to open a Microsoft Excel worksheet. I hope that helps.